How to protect your valuable belongings? Since the beginning of time, we have tried to keep all our belongings into a place, normally a safe or vault. Normally these places contains a way to let us be sure that only us can access to this information and only those who knows how to open this door can access these possessions. That's why we can use some combinations and involves, or the most common for all of us, a key to open a door. These keys used to having different patterns to open different locks. But what happens when someone understands the process to open a lock and don't need the key? Just can open the door without any problem and access to your possessions. Because this mechanism works as a puzzle. At the beginning can be a little complex, but when you understand how to make it easily, you can solve any kind of puzzle or you can open any kind of door you want. Anyway, we continue trusting in this kind of mechanism to save all our belongings. And we continue trying to find different places to have all our possessions in a safe place. Our pictures, game, and different items. But as you have noticed, nowadays, all these kind of items are not necessarily physical. We use a lot of data on internet, on our devices, or on different places. And that's why it's so important to understand that the most important possession you need to protect now is data. That's why nowadays it's not necessary for you to have cash to buy an item. You need only your cell phone or computer to buy something. But it's important to protect all that information with a password. I know it can be annoying, but you need to understand that this is the key which open all the information that you have on internet or on your devices. But of course, this key, the pattern that uses, can be your face, fingerprint, or the most common, a series of characters. A character can be a letter, number, even a space, or any kind of key you have on your keyboard or on your cell phone can help you to have a safe password. Of course, there are people who can solve this puzzle, but to guess your password, it depends on the complexity of it. If you use only numbers, it's only less than 1 second to guess it. With letters, 8 seconds. But if you combine letters and numbers, people are going to take more time to access to your information. Of course, it depends on the page where you are using your password because there are some pages that are more common in some countries than in another. That's why it's important you to try to have a complex password and always save your information. Now that you understand the importance of having a good password, it's time of thinking in how to make safer passwords.